solidify to obtain the casting product. To understand the casting process, let us make this material through casting. First, place a wooden board on the table, and then place a wooden flask on the board. Now at the center of the flask, place a wooden workpiece. Note that this workpiece is called the pattern, and it will act as the replica of the product to be produced. Now sprinkle some parting sand in and around the pattern. Then place a hand riddle on top of the flask. Now put some sand in this riddle and then filter the sand. Note that the filtered sand is called the facing sand. Now remove the riddle and put some more sand in the flask till it gets filled completely. Note that the sand which we had put after removing the riddle is called the backing sand. Now take a hand rammer and ram the sand so that the sand inside the flask gets compressed and compact. Then use a strike-off bar to level the sand equally. Note that this flask which contains the sand and pattern is called the mold. Now turn this flask and place another wooden flask over the previous flask. Then place another similar pattern over the first pattern.